Hello everyone, I'm Ananya and welcome to my channel Stuck Between the Pages. Today's video is about how I rate my books. In general, I'm a very picky reader, and I don't mean it in the sort of books that I read because those are pretty generic. But I am picky when it comes to the rating that I give for the books that I read. Let's deep dive into it a bit. Any book that I rate above 4 needs to be a masterpiece. It means any book that I am giving 4.25, 4.5. Now, just a disclaimer, I don't usually rate books 5 stars because very rarely do I come across a book which is making me laugh, cry, be happy, surprised, amazed, and all of your other adjectives you can add in there. So very rarely I come across books that meet that criteria. So 5 is a rarity. Maybe not even one book a year I would be rating 5. So my ratings, what I consider to be standard here, is anything above 4 is a book that I really liked. Is a book that I would recommend to others. It's something that has made me happy to an extent, but there might be something missing in those books. Now, when I'm giving my ratings for the books going forward, I would also tell you what didn't work for me without a spoiler version for them. But just to give a brief overview, anything from 4 to 5 means I really like the book and most probably would like to recommend it to you guys. Anything between 3 to 4, which would be quite common if you notice, because more often than not, there are books which I do not feel are deserving of a 4 or more, but they are still a book which falls under the maybe category. So anything which is 3.75, 3.5 means it's a good book. It might be something that people might like. I found a few things which did not work for me, but I would still recommend that if it is something that you're looking for. It's a sort of genre of book that you're looking for. Now comes the tricky part. Anything below 3. Now, just as picky as I am to rate a book 5 stars, I'm also really picky to rate a book below 3 because I believe that any author has put a lot of effort into writing that book, and I do not want to diminish the effort that went into it. However, if there is a book which I do not like, which I may not recommend to people, I would give a star maybe 2.5, 2.75. Again, I haven't rated any book below 2.5 so far, and even those are really far and in between, maybe one a year, and that is usually when I experiment with the type of genre or book that I end up not liking, so it's not something against the author's writing as well. So, just to sum it up, 2 to 3 most likely won't recommend. 3 to 4 maybe not depending on the type of reader that you are. 4 and above definitely recommend. And if a book is 5, it means it's the best book out there and you should definitely try that. So, stay tuned for more book reviews with these ratings coming up soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.